Meghalaya Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan Association today demanded implementation of salary structure and enhancement of remuneration to SSA teachers under Samagra Shiksha. Addressing a press conference at the Shillong Club, the president of SSA SA, Aristotle C. Rambai, informed that the association will submit a memorandum to the Meghalaya Education Minister Lakmin Rumbui in this regard. Justifying their demands, Rambai said that as per state rules on the Right to Education Act, it is inferred that SSA teachers recruited and appointed for implementation of Right to Education Act shall have pay and allowances at par with regular teachers, but the state of Meghalaya, the lower and upper primary school teachers, who are the pillars for implementation of the Right to Education Act, are being separated by the state government from the regular teachers of the state.
Jong mentau snem namenta ka financial year arajar arpaway tingi na kaliang jong association ibu jingkili ya ka government nakani ka lies pa andri pemyo kror katno spa kror la ASHA ka education department barhaki benta ayula pentrekam ya kani ka pisah ka ban siu tulok la ka bede yang ban siu tulok ni dawana ka state government bakade ban pensai ki kategori ayu ka siu tulok naka nika pisa lani kanika khajna ka baki yolum naka petrol ba diesel laka de yaki no hikai SSA ne laka de yaki no hikai deficit ne laka de yaki no hikai ad hoc ne lani lalaki pentrikam haki way pat ki benta jong ka education department laka de ki infrastructure kum ta tetel naka le jong ngi dawa ba ka state government kadai ban pensai kadai ban I specific kapnola Pak support education department but akibenta ayu la pelut nang ta ka ba arpat ka cingkeli ka bangi kwa banbu ya ka state government tidak kalian jungi menta ka sngi kwa ba nakalian jong education minister ba don borom jungi berkum juru ka state government ni kan pensai ba hadu kat no kror ba kilabu ha ka state budget karpang na menta jungi ki nong hikai SSA ni iba menta kalau la arsnem siteng kan ke government kala ya hana hado menta ki problems ki bangi ya kendo ndu ki por ki ba menshwan ndu ko previous government the same problems ni ya kendo menta te ka ega cingkular jong ka party NPP before election balada ka wana ka bor kan le na menta jungi ki no hikai hado menta arsnem siteng ngimpat yo idak baka state government kala menta jungi pi wat ya kanika Ajingdawa jungi namenta ka enhancement but pentrikam ya ka salary structure kabalong a very genuine issue ni dawa katkum ka Art Act 2009 but kum juru katkum ka state Art Rule 2011 kataro kidang kantai ban pentrikam tingi bu jingkili kan ya ka government ba la kane ka people's document jong ka party NPP kalong tang pan su penbit election yang ni ha ka for election ni kadon jing thumu sisa ban wanra ya kata ka jingkala kumbalakam shwa ka election 2018 kata duty lang ong ha ka COVID-19 duty kira pha lut kila pengat duty lut yang in adong sadong almost but kini regular teachers kila pengat ingin adong sadong ada ka pensusi yang ipat mandala de ha ka bayar de berkebenta juga service matters but ka salary matters kumbang ong nakalian jong ka state government kala klet Tugupta, nakalian jungi association ni kwa ban pa ka message ka ba siya sa state government menta ka snilang ba jung pi kila ta ko board ba. Ada ka state government kam penulong ya ka jing dawa jungi. Apo kat pratrik jong menta ubnai. Ni nakalian jong association. Hadin bala put kan ka jing bukpor. Ni ngin simpat daki we ki senjam. Wat ban penlong ya ki program jingi ki. Kumbangi dale haki por ki ba menshwa. Imat kala long ka raibi yang ikino hikai SSA balada ngim ya ki. Nim yo ya ka hok ka ba ngi dai hok ban yo ko be shi bon da pidang don chikili la ka